All right, I want to quickly introduce you to a system that pays you high ticket commissions of $500 per sale, $1,000 per sale, or even $2,600 per sale. This system is called the OLSP TeamBuilders high ticket system. All right, and if you check, this is how much I have made so far. All right, can you look at this? $9,935, almost $10,000 already, so which is amazing. And look, if I can do this, you can do it also. I'm going to explain what this system is and how you can start earning those $1,000 per sale, $2,000 per sale, very easy. All right, so let's go quickly. All right, just like I said, this system is called the OLSP TeamBuilders high ticket system, and let me show you some few high ticket commissions that I have received from this system. Now just look at this, okay? Now as you look at this, you will see the commissions paid to me by this system. This system is called, you can see, Wayne Crow Limited paid you $679. High ticket commissions. High ticket commissions of $500, $1,000, or even $2,000 in commission. Let me show you another one. Look at this. This is another payment that I received from the Wayne Crow Limited. And if you look at that, that is a commission of $1,508. But let's quickly check another one. Look at it. This is a commission that I received, $1,004 paid to me by the Wayne Crow Limited. Let's quickly check another one because I don't want to waste your time today. Look at this other commission. Is another $642 that I received from the Wayne Crow Limited. Quickly, let's check another one out. Look at this. This is another payment that I received. $2,096. Imagine $2,000 commissions. This is awesome. From the Wayne Crow Limited. Let's check another one. Look at this. This is another payment that I received from the Wayne Crow Limited of $679 paid to me from the Wayne Crow Limited. Check another one out here. Look at this. This is another payment of $1,000 paid to me by the Wayne Crow Limited. So if you want to earn commissions, like I said, of $500, $1,000, or even $2,000, then you want to be promoting this system called the OLSP TeamBuilder system. I'm going to explain how the system works, but I want to show you just a few people that are members of this system and they are also earning high ticket commissions. Let's look at it. Let's check out some of these members. As you can see, this is me. I am a team builder and I earn high ticket commissions. But let's check another person. This is Marius. Marius Standard is a team builder and he also earns high ticket commissions. Check out Barb Anderson Bishop. She is a team builder and she earns high ticket commissions. Check another person out here. This is Ida. She is a team builder and she earns high ticket commissions. Check out another person. This is Jonathan Wilson. He's a team builder and he earns high ticket commissions. Let's check another person. This is Lena Bondell. She's a team builder and you can see she earns high ticket commissions. Check out Jill Blake. She's a team builder and she earns high ticket commissions. Let's check another person. This is a Bon Bitter. He's a team builder and he earns high ticket commissions. Let's check another one. This is Peggy Price. She's a team builder and she earns high ticket commissions. Look at Richard Hassan. He's a team builder and he earns high ticket commissions. Look at Daniel Martin. He is a team builder and he earns high ticket commissions. Check out Al Amaru. He's a team builder and he earns high ticket commissions. Look at Linda Lee Hoggins. She's a team builder and she earns high ticket commissions. Look at Calvin Merrick. He's a team builder and he earns high ticket commissions. Check out Janelle Rene. She's a team builder and she earns high ticket commissions. Look at Michael DeLuca. He is a team builder and you can see he earns high ticket commissions. Look at Jeff Drew. He's a team builder and he earns high ticket commissions. Look at Paul Hammond. He is a team builder and he earns high ticket commission. Look at Harry Thompson. He is a team builder and he earns high ticket commission. So if you want to join our team and start earning high ticket commissions today, this is your opportunity. All right. Now, what is the OLSP Team Builder system? Now, this system pays you $500 per sale, $1,000 per sale, or even $2,600 per sale. All right. Now, in this system, you will also be taught everything you need to succeed, to generate traffic and make money. But the beautiful thing is that this is a complete done for you system. So everything is done for you. The only thing you do to make money with this system is to share your link. That's all. You just share your team builders link and then earn high ticket commission whenever a sale is done. But the beautiful thing is this: you don't need to create any product of your own. You don't need to have any technical skill. You don't need to recruit anybody at all. You don't need to call anybody. You don't need to sell anything because everything is done for you. All the follow-ups are done for you. When you share your link and people put in their name and email into your website, the system takes over. It automatically follows up with them by email, invite them to webinars, show them how the system works, train them, and then they have a phone call team that literally closes sales for you, and that is beautiful. And once they close those sales, you start making commissions. Now, these are the nature of commissions you make as a team builder. Okay, now as a team builder, you will earn unlimited 200% commission. 200% commissions in front-end mega link sale, guys. That's amazing. Now, apart from that, you will also earn 200% commissions in second-tier commissions in front-end mega link sale. That simply means that even if your team member gets the sale, you make money also. Now, apart from that, you will earn second-tier commissions on all products in the system. This is amazing because now this is what we call passive income. This is where you earn commission consistently, even when your team member are the ones making the sale. It's crazy, right? Now, but that is not all. You will also earn unlimited high ticket commissions. Like I said, of $500, $1,000, $2,000, and even above. Now, let's not waste your time anymore. If you are ready right now and you say, Victor, look, I just want to join this OLSP Team Builders high ticket system right now. Now, this is all you need to do right now. Go below this video you are watching right now, just like this. Now, once you come below this video, go to the first link that says step 1. Join the OLSP Team Builders system. So go ahead, click that first link just like this. Now, once you click the first link, that will now bring you to this capture page website. Okay, now all you need to do is very simple. Just enter your first name here and enter your best email address here. So go ahead, do that. Enter your first name here, then enter your best email address. Then you see this green button that says click here to join now. Go ahead, click that green button. Now once you click the green button, that will bring you to the OLSP TeamBuilders website. Okay, now when you get to this website, what you want to do is to watch the training video, because when you watch the video in this website, you are going to see all the benefits and bonuses that you are going to get for being a team builder, which is powerful. So make sure you watch this video, and once you are ready, come below the video to this green button that says click here to get instant access at $997. Now this is half price. I'm telling you, it's half price, because the team builder costs $2,000. But with this system, by coming to my link and joining the team builders, you will get it for half the price of $997. This is amazing. Now let's quickly look at others that are members of the team builders and have made a lot of commission. Look at Neil, $2,600 in commission. Look at Albert, $2,600 in commission. These are verified, right? This is Jesse, $2,600 in commission. Look at Joy, $2,600 in commission. Look at Lynn, $4,200 in commission. Look at Prakash, $4,200 in commission. Look at Jean, $4,300 in commission. Look at Dena, $4,300 in commission. So you can see so many people are member of team builders, and you can also be a member today. So go ahead, click that green button, pay this half price, and become a member of the OLSP team builder. Now, when you join my team, I am also giving out bonuses, but one of the bonuses is that I'm going to add your link to the team builders traffic rotator. So I will also be sending out traffic to your link also. So how do you like that? So if you want to get my bonus, and let me also send you some traffic consistently and see and help you see if you get some high ticket sales, then make sure you are joining through my link. All right, so guys, that is it. If you have any question about the OLSP team builders, you can leave that in the comment section. All right, I respond to all questions. And if you like this video, please click the like button. Also click the share button. But don't forget, make sure you subscribe to this channel. All right, so with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.